Volkswagen gears up for major 2026 product launch. Volkswagen is preparing for a substantial wave of new models in 2026, signaling a major push towards electric vehicles while acknowledging the continued importance of combustion engines in certain markets. The company's sales chief, Martin Sander, described the upcoming period as one of unprecedented launch activities globally. This signals a strategic move to solidify VW's position in a rapidly evolving automotive landscape. Electric expansion, the ID. Family grows at the forefront of this expansion is the highly anticipated ID. Polo, an electric supermini priced competitively at around €25,000. Following closely will be the ID. Cross, an SUV variant based on the same platform, mirroring the existing combustion engine Polo and T-Cross lineup. These launches demonstrate VW's commitment to providing affordable electric options across popular vehicle segments. The existing ID3 and ID4 models are also slated for updates, featuring a completely new design language and improved interiors with higher quality materials and the reintroduction of physical buttons. These changes address previous criticisms of VW's electric offerings, focusing on both aesthetics and user experience. The focus on battery cost reduction and performance improvements suggests a push to enhance the value proposition of these models. Hybrid and range extender options, while EVs dominate the pipeline, VW is also hedging its bets with hybrid models for markets like the United States, where consumer preference for combustion engines remains strong. Notably, the company will launch a range-extending gasoline engine EV in China next year, previewed by the ID. Era concept, offering a combined range exceeding 621 miles. This model highlights VW's willingness to adapt to regional demands, particularly in markets where charging infrastructure is still developing. 2 additional A-segment electric cars, built on a locally developed platform, will also debut in China, differing from the European-bound ID. Everyone, which will arrive in 2027 with a starting price around €20,000. This localized approach underscores VW's strategy of tailoring its EV offerings to specific market conditions. The future of combustion, a phased transition despite the aggressive EV push. Volkswagen acknowledges that electric cars haven't yet reached the profitability of internal combustion engines. The company declined to provide a timeline for parity, indicating the financial realities of transitioning to an all-electric future. The upcoming 9th-generation Golf, expected towards the end of the decade, will be sold exclusively as an EV. However, VW will continue producing the current combustion engine version alongside it, demonstrating a pragmatic approach to managing the transition. This ensures that the company maintains a presence in all segments while accelerating its electric transition. Volkswagen's 2026 product offensive represents a calculated bet on the future of mobility, balancing aggressive EV expansion with pragmatic considerations for regional markets and profitability. The company's strategy emphasizes flexibility, adaptation, and a willingness to cater to diverse consumer demands.